Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can buy your crypto on MEXC Global. So the first thing that you will have to do is of course log into your MEXC account, and once you've logged in, you will see this option right here which is buy crypto. And what you will have to do after clicking that is you will just have to choose a payment method, which is either credit card, debit card, or P2P or whatsoever. And then you will select the crypto, and then you will just have to enter the amount in the fiat. And of course, you will complete KYC if required. And yeah, that's basically just it. And then you will just have to click confirm or buy, and then your crypto will be added to your Maxi wallet instantly or within minutes. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.